Everyone, welcome to my channel, Submerged in Christ. We're back at the lake. I'm gonna clean up more garbage. Gotta keep on doing it until that dock is spotless. Watch to the end and see what we find. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Oh, find all kinds of garbage.
It's not real good. I just do it for garbage.
You gonna start that thing up right there? Or? There you go, it's not starting it? Need to be pushed off? Oh, look at that. Like that. I'm not grabbing that today.
Left or right? Don't know what that is. Plastic fender. Charger. Android. Plastic something off of something. Broken lens. Knife looks pretty good. Off that. Cover. Some sort of a rubber something, the bottle, and the infamous Fireball alcohol. Let's see, some sort of a sticker. Another one of those OSHA card things. I don't know, bunch of those down there. An old bungee, some plastic something here. So that'll be it. That's everything. I was only down there for about 10-15 minutes. And yeah, like I said, my computer broke, brand new computer broke. Didn't even get to use it. And it had the air integration set up on it, not my other computer. So that was it. Got in the water after a few months. So you guys take care. God bless. Happy New Year.